Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to change app screen grid size on this device. Simply go to your settings and tap on the option home screen. Then here you can see the option app screen grid. Tap on this one. Now this is 4 by 6. One more option is there, 5 by 6. Now this is 4 by 6, that means 4 column and 6 rows. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rows. And one more is there, 5 by 6. So here I am going to select the option 5 by 6. Now you can see 5 columns are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 6 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is space, 6 rows. Okay, so this in this way you can adjust the app screen grid to fit more or fewer applications. It helps improve navigation and organization. So simply in this way we can change app screen grid size on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.